We have our train at 8 o'clock from Roorkee and the time now is 6:45. Our journey starts from Roorkee, which is a small town in Uttarakhand. We have 4 hours of train travel to reach New Delhi, and from there we are taking our Rajdhani Express to Chennai. This is also Nidhi's first train travel, so we are super excited and also fully prepared. The Delhi-Chennai Rajdhani Express is here. It came on time, but we have to walk from one end of the platform to another end. Our coach is the last coach in this train. We have started from Delhi. The time is 3:35. Chennai Rajdhani is one of the oldest train I have ever seen. I saw a lot of other Rajdhani standing on the platform and they were all brand new. The Chennai train is maybe the oldest train they have. If you travel in first class, there is a coupe and then there is a cabin. Cabin has 4 seats, so we wanted a coupe, right? So we wanted a coupe so that only me, Meena and the baby can travel, and we got one. Once the train starts from Delhi, the only place this train stops is Agra, and that too for 2 minutes. Meena got down to take tea and she gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper, and suddenly she heard a horn, so she left the 100 rupees in the shop and she came running back to this train. We just crossed Gwalior and the next stop is Jhansi. Now the biggest problem with Rajdhani is that it stops in station only for 2 minutes, and there is another train known as Toronto. That also travels as fast as Rajdhani but doesn't stop anywhere. It starts from Delhi and it goes directly to Chennai. Imagine being inside the train for 1.5 days without any stop. So that's one reason why I never book in Toronto, because I don't like that train. But Rajdhani, again it stops, but it stops just for 2 minutes, which is again waste of stopping. Why do you have to stop for 2 minutes? Stop for 5 minutes or 10 minutes so that you can buy some refreshment and stuff like that. Okay, so next stop is Jhansi. Nidhi is sleeping and Meena is watching Big Boss Tamil. Traveling in Rajdhani used to be so much fun because you were taken care of. Morning they'll give you newspaper, then tea, coffee, snacks, then breakfast, then another snacks, then lunch, and then evening tea, coffee along with something, and then night dinner, everything included in your ticket. And now because of COVID, nothing is included. You have to order your own food. We had to buy our own blanket for 180 rupees. So it's like, do your own stuff, pay for your own stuff, and still the ticket price is same. So yeah, it doesn't feel like traveling in Rajdhani, that too in a first class with no service. We bought a lot of sweets from Roorkee, and this laddu. What is this?
This is Missy Pida.
Missy Pida. I went to take hot water for Nidhi, and while returning I saw a toilet open and there was this cigarette packet. I thought it will be empty, but it is fully loaded. Smoking is injurious, but which asshole wants to smoke inside the train? You're going to kill everybody inside. So I think I did a good job by stealing this cigarette packet. It's morning 7 o'clock and we have reached Baleshwar. I wanted to get up at Nagpur because Nagpur to Baleshwar is a beautiful scenic, crossing through mountains, tunnels and forest and a lot of rivers. But unfortunately Nidhi couldn't sleep last night because this was her first time in the train, and so we got up very late in the morning. The food in the train is horrible, So Meena ordered food from outside. IRCTC you can book food. So we have ordered paratha and some idli for Nidhi. Next stop is Vijayawada, I guess. Ordering so many foods from IRCTC, the Indian Railway approved restaurant outside, costed us just 270 rupees. But whereas if you buy the same thing inside, yesterday we got little bit of rice, so much rice, seriously, so much rice and rajma curry, and that was 150 rupees. So yeah, when you're traveling in train, it's always better that you order your food from IRCTC vendor, who are outside. They'll deliver to you.
We are already in Andhra Pradesh. The light is so good, it's greenery everywhere.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel.
We are in Hasna Parthi Road. The train is not supposed to stop here, but it stopped for some reason. Meena and Nidhi are sleeping in the train the whole morning. They did not sleep last night, so they're sleeping now.
We are reaching Vijayawada. The train is going very slow, but still we are 15 minutes ahead of our schedule. We are getting our lunch from Vijayawada.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized.
For those of you who wants to know the camera that I am using, it's not a big camera, it's not a DSLR, it's a small point and shoot camera known as Canon G7X Mark II. I'm going to put a link of this camera in the description, and this is the best camera you can buy for vlogging.
Maybe we roll so fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender. Now that it's ended, nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream?
We just crossed Vijayawada and the Krishna river, which flows via Vijayawada. Beautiful river. I always make sure to come to the door to see that river.
We are done with Vijayawada. The train stops next only in Chennai. We have 6 hours to cover that distance.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
It's raining heavily here. It's raining in Chennai as well. We were supposed to go to Chennai 1 week before, but we did not go because of rain. And we are going after 1 week, and it is raining again. So I don't know. Traveling in train used to be so much fun. Railway station was not just a place where you get down, get your tea, coffee, but it was a place of entertainment. You get down, you have magazines, you have a lot of toys, books available, people going around here and there. It was fun, but now because of COVID, everything has changed. I took this train thinking that it's going to be fun for me, for Meena and for Nidhi. And flight ticket, in spite of being half the price of what we are paying for this train, we just chose to come in train because I made a decision that every year when we come to see our parents in Delhi, one way we will come by flight and the other way we'll use the train. Because I made a decision that every year when we come to see our parents in Delhi, one way we will come via flight and the return we will go always on train. I don't know if I want to do that again. We have reached Chennai. The train came half an hour before the scheduled time, and we are welcome in Chennai by the heavy rain. Nice to be in Chennai. Chennai is very clean and it looks so beautiful. Staying in Chennai, sometimes we take Chennai for granted, but once you go to other part of the country and you come back and then you appreciate Chennai. Chennai is really beautiful. The roads are so clean. People are so nice. True, right?
Yeah, and we are back home.
Yeah, it's nice to be back home.